Hi everyone, I'm America Josh and I'm sitting here with Jason Stock from Uptrend Advisory. Hello Jason, how are you?
Hey Josh, thanks for having me. I'm doing great, thank you. Really excited to be here. Love our chats and love diving into what we're about to dive into.
Woo! Tax baby! We've got some exciting stuff for all of you and we love sitting here. Jason and I love answering your questions. We've had lots of questions sent in over the past few weeks and past few years. We've done this for a few years now. And the idea is that we've tried to start off with a real 30,000, even 40,000 foot view and then ask some of the more nitty gritty questions. So some of these are going to apply to everyone. Some of them are going to apply to no one. But Jason is going to tell you that you always need to speak to a tax professional if things get a little bit hairy.
Yeah, tax isn't hard once you know what you're doing, but it is a journey to get there. So please make sure you take in these videos and take in the knowledge and, reach out to Josh, reach out to me if you want to chat more about your specific situation. It's not a one size fits all. This is just meant to be, the start of your journey, understanding how the US tax system works and how it applies to your situation specifically.
I want to clarify though for a second, Jason, you just mentioned that you should speak to Josh about taxes. Don't talk to me about taxes. You can send your questions to me, but I'm going to forward them straight into Jason because it's really important to know that having professionals like Jason and like all the professionals I chat to, they've spent years honing these skills. And especially when it comes to tax and accounting, the amount of stuff that you don't know is immense. And unlike most things where you've got a problem and you want to solve that problem, with a lot of what Jason and other tax professionals will help you with is explaining to you that there are hundreds of forms for the IRS that you've never heard of, that some of them are crucially important to your particular tax situation. So speak to professionals. If you've got more than just a single income and you're filing and you have no properties or investments anywhere in the world, it's fine to think about doing it yourself. And we'll talk about that in these videos. But if you've got any investments, if you've got more than one income, if you've got a family, spend the time, spend the money. I do know that it costs money and a lot of people are looking to avoid costs at every turn, which I do completely understand. But this is one that you shouldn't sacrifice. Get this right, because if the IRS finds that you're doing something wrong, Jason will tell you that they're not very friendly when it comes to trying to fix mistakes on your own. So follow us. We're going to release these videos over the coming few days and they'll stay up forever as a resource. So if you've got questions for tax, leave them in the comments below. We're always happy to check on those and keep making these videos because if they're going to help you, we want to be able to help you out with these tax questions because we know that it can get really confusing, especially in this January to April time of year where everyone's talking about taxes. So tune in and leave your comments and we really appreciate you coming along for the tax adventure. Woo! Thanks, Jason.
Thanks, Josh.